Hello, and welcome to Math Matters. I'm Miss Matthews, and today we'll be tackling the sticker problem. Today we're going to be doing some problem solving. Your goal is to solve a word problem and be able to justify and represent your thinking. That means that you can prove why your answer makes sense and explain how you got it. You will have an opportunity to reflect on how you did with this at the end of the lesson. As you are working today, you will have an opportunity to practice your communicator skills by showing your strategy in writing using numbers, pictures, or words. You're also going to have an opportunity to think critically and creatively about what you need to do as a problem solver to be successful. Here are some materials you will want to have ready: a pencil or something to write with, some paper, and if you want, counters like coins, paper clips, or even crayons. I'll give you 30 seconds to go get those materials. Here is today's problem. Follow along as I read it aloud. The sticker problem. Heather has some stickers she is going to put into some treat bags for her birthday party. She puts the same number of stickers in each bag. What are you picturing in your mind when you read this story? What kinds of stickers do you think she has? What other kinds of treats might she be putting in the bags? Now let's read the problem again. Follow along as I read it aloud. Heather has some stickers she is going to put into 4 treat bags for her birthday party. She puts the same number of stickers in each bag. What changed? What did we learn from this new information? Yes, now we know that she is making 4 treat bags. Why do you think she only made 4 treat bags? How many stickers do you think she has? Let's read the problem again. Heather has 12 stickers she is going to put into 4 treat bags for her birthday party. She puts the same number of stickers in each bag. Now what changed? What did we learn from this new information? Yes, now we know how many stickers she has. Heather has 12 stickers. Does this mean each treat bag will get 12 stickers? How do you know? What question might we ask about this situation? Let's read this one more time to see what we are going to have to figure out. Heather has 12 stickers she is going to put into 4 treat bags for her birthday party. She puts the same number of stickers in each bag. What do we need to figure out? That's right. We need to figure out how many stickers Heather put in each bag. Sometimes when we see the words how many, we think we have to find the total. But in this problem, we need how many stickers are in one bag. So the words in each bag are really important information for this problem. Let's estimate. Can Heather put 10 stickers into each treat bag? What about 5 stickers? How do you know? Now I will give you some time to solve the problem. This is where you can practice being a creative and critical thinker as a mathematician, as you consider how to solve this problem. You can also practice communicating as a mathematician as you think about how you can use objects, pictures, or numbers to answer this question. Now let's go to Mrs. Smith to see some strategies for solving the sticker problem.
Okay, the sticker problem. So one way you may have thought about this is kind of acting it out and drawing out what's happening in this problem. We know that Heather has 12 stickers. We also know that she's putting those stickers into 4 bags, and she's giving everybody the same amount of stickers. So I can think, I know I have 12, and we're dividing that 12 up into 4 groups. What we don't know is how many stickers are going to go in each bag. So we can represent that with a division equation. So now we have to solve for it. So one way I might think about doing that is by drawing a picture and sort of passing out the stickers. What are ways I could pass those 12 stickers out? I could go one by one. Can I do more than that? what if we tried 2? What if I put 2 stickers in each bag? Well, now I know I gave out 2 stickers here, 2 stickers here. So 2, 4, 6, 8. I've given out 8 stickers. So if I think I had 12 stickers, I gave 8 of them, put 8 in the bags. So I have 4 left to give out, to pass out into the bags. Well, if I have 4 bags, I know I can put 1 more sticker into each bag. So I had 4 stickers left. I put 4 in the bag. So now I have 0 stickers left. So now I can see that each bag gets 2 stickers and 1 sticker. So each bag gets 3 stickers. So I can see 3 in each bag. What are you noticing about this strategy? Why did we show subtraction down here? How did that help us? Well, if you remember, my first step was to pass out groups of 2 stickers into each bag. So then I had to figure out how many stickers I had left to put into the bags. So I started with 12. I gave out 8 in the first round, and then I knew I had 4 left to put into the bags. So showing this helped me to see how many stickers I had left. Let's look at another way you may have thought about this problem. You may have thought, well, let's think multiplication. If I have 4 bags, I know I have 4 bags. I don't know, though, how many are in each bag. I also know that I have 12 stickers all together. So I can think about my 4's facts. If I know that 4 times 1 is 4, and I know 4 times 2 is 8. I just added another group of 4 to get 8. And if I add another group of 4, that gives me 12. So then I can see, where's my answer? So I have 4 times 3 equals 12. Well, I know the 12 is how many stickers that Heather has all together. And 4 is the number of bags. So 3 is the number of stickers in each bag, which is just like what we got in our first strategy. So looking at these 2 strategies, what do you notice? What are some things that are similar and what might be different? Well, something I'm noticing that is similar is that they both ended up with 3 stickers in each bag, but where that 3 is very different. In our first strategy, we divided, and then our answer, or our quotient, was the answer to our problem. When we used multiplication, our answer to the problem was the missing factor, we were trying to solve for how many were in each group, and so that's where our answer is. So a big difference is that one used division and one used multiplication. How does that work? I thought those were opposites. So think about, with our division strategy, we started with our 12, we split it into 4 groups, and then we figured out how many were in each group. When we used multiplication, because we were solving for that missing factor, our answer is sort of in the middle of our problem and not our result. So we're working our way up to get to that 12, and the missing piece was how many in each group. Another difference I'm seeing is that we used subtraction over here to kind of keep track, and we also drew a picture to represent the bags and how many in each bag, where we didn't do either of those things in our second strategy. So how do these compare to what you did? How are they similar, and how are they different to your strategy? Take a minute to think about that.
Those were just a few ways that you might have solved this problem. How do they compare to what you did? What similarities and differences do you see compared to your strategy? Thanks, Mrs. Smith. We have been learning this year that multiplication is equal groups of things. In the sticker problem, we knew how many stickers Heather had to start, so we knew her total amount of stickers, which was 12. We also knew that she had 4 treat bags, so we knew how many groups there were. What we didn't know was how many stickers she was going to put in the bag. So we needed to figure out how many would be in each group or bag. The equations that we could use to solve this problem were 4 times our missing number equals 12, or 12 divided by 4, which really means 12 stickers divided into 4 treat bags. Either way, our answer was 3. When we multiplied to solve, our answer was the missing factor, not the product. When we divided to solve, the answer or quotient told us the amount of stickers in each treat bag or group. Yesterday we did the praying mantis problem. Let's look at how that compares to the sticker problem that we did today. In the praying mantis problem, we did not know the total amount of legs on all of the praying mantises, so that's what we had to figure out. To solve that, we either added or multiplied to figure it out. Today in the sticker problem, we either multiplied or divided to solve. When we multiplied, our answer was one of the factors and not the total. When we divided, it was the answer, or the quotient of the problem. Now I want you to talk about your thoughts with someone, or write down your ideas to these questions. What are you noticing? And what similarities and differences do you see? You may have noticed that for both problems, you could have used multiplication to solve them. However, something different that I'm seeing with that is where the answer to the problem is. In the praying mantis problem, the answer is the product of 8 times 6. But in the sticker problem, the answer was the missing factor, which was 3. Something else you may have noticed that is different about how you could have solved the two problems is that in the praying mantis problem, you could have also used repeated addition. But in the sticker problem, the other strategy was division. Today we looked at different strategies for how to solve a problem, and we saw that we could use division or multiplication to solve it. Let's take a moment to reflect on today's learning by sharing your thoughts with someone or writing down your ideas to this question. What is something you're thinking about related to problem solving or multiplication or division? In today's episode, you had an opportunity to think creatively and critically about how to solve a word problem and how to communicate your thinking on paper. How did you do with this? Which emoji represents how you're feeling about today's learning? If you still have questions, you can always check in with your teacher. Wherever you are in your thinking is right where you should be. Today we explored how we could use multiplication or division to solve a problem, and we are continuing to build our understanding of how those two are related. We also compared two problem types to think about what strategies we use when. To continue your learning, see if you can write down your own equal groups problem and then solve it. Maybe you want to try a strategy that you saw today. Here are some ideas of things that come in groups to get you started. Thanks for watching. I'm Miss Matthews. Have a mathematical day and keep on counting. Today's problem came from Brian Bushart's website, seen here.